Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about the legend personality and angel of pets and many more. Respected Sir, Mr. ACP Sudhir Kudakar. He's gold and silver medalist too. In 1991, respected Sir completed his BCom from Ruparel College. As I told you before, he's gold and silver medalist in powerlifting as well as boxing. In the year of 1990-91, he was selected in a student council with tremendous votes and likes in the post of General Secretary. In the year of 1995, in the exams of MPSC, he passed PSI exam and appointed in many police stations like Cuff Parade, Bhaikala, Special Branch 2, Crime Branch, Vileparle, Santa Cruz Police Station, in Dahanu, Thane as well as Bhayandar. Also, he successfully fulfilled his responsibilities in many police stations. In 1998, he got Best Investigation Officer Reward from Mumbai Commissioner of Police. Also, he's got Best Investigation and Conviction Reward from Director General of Police of Maharashtra in 2015 for 6-year girl rape cum murder case. In his life, he awarded twice from Commissioner of Police as in the Best Crime Officer. We must have heard and observed that police is a rude or sometimes feelingless. But what is behind the scene? Who knows and who wanted to know? But when police work 24/7, we sleep peacefully at our places. But ACP Sir changed everyone's mentality. Every coin has a two sides. Now we're gonna see his hobbies too. His best pet lover, we all can say. We must have seen injured pets around us many times, and that time, even though having a strong feeling to help them, exactly we don't know what needs to be done, how to handle them, whom to call. Now this all question being answered by angel of pet, respected Sir ACP Sudhir Kudakar. It's often happen we don't know what to do with the injured pets and where we'll get the medicines and the medical treatment for them. And because of this, many of them lose their lives too. To stop all this thing, to get them medical treatments, and on the same time, they should get permanent house as well as adopted. Respected Sir started 8 to 10 WhatsApp groups, and he is available there 24/7. Neither even single case been left by him nor attended. As we all know, animal cruelty and the kind of issues raising day by day, we also often face them. And what action to be taken for all this, we don't know. But Sir recently formed a team of 25 advocates to deal with animal cruelty absolutely free of charge. And they all are also pet lovers. Sir also sent blind dog to Fiza farm. 3 of them were sent it over there. ACP Sir is available 24/7. Go out of his way to help and guide the feeders and help voiceless and voiceless lovers. He's also got award from Mega Foundation Achiever Award 2021 of Voice of Voiceless. Also groups are named as in PAL, and in all relocation, injured and adoption cases solved by respected Sir and all group members. They work as a family as well as a team too. PAL is not only group but a family who's going to talk in behalf of the voiceless. It's really admirable that you successfully managed both the things, Sir. We all will be always glad that you are with her. You are with us. Thank you, Sir.